In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the title in Ubersuggest. If you're looking to optimize your content or gain insights into high-performing titles, this guide will help you navigate Ubersuggest to find effective content strategies. First, let's get started by heading over to Ubersuggest. Open your web browser and visit neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once there, you'll need to log into your Ubersuggest account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account following the prompts on the site. Logging in is essential as it gives you access to all the valuable data and tools Ubersuggest has to offer. Now that you're logged in, you will find a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. In this search bar, enter the keyword or topic you're interested in researching. For instance, if you're in the travel niche, you might type in travel vlog. Once you've entered your keyword, hit the search button to proceed. After you initiate the search, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard, where you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Keyword Ideas. This section is quite informative, providing you with a wealth of related keywords. You'll also find vital statistics here such as search volume, SEO difficulty, and content ideas, which are crucial for understanding the potential reach and competitiveness of your chosen keyword. Let's delve a bit deeper by checking out the Content Ideas section. You can either scroll down to find it or click directly on Content Ideas in the sidebar menu. What you'll see is a list of actual article titles and web pages currently ranking for your keyword. This section is extremely insightful as it showcases the competition and reveals what's currently working in your niche. Within this list, you'll see several important details about each piece of content. You'll find the title of each post, which gives you an idea of popular phrasing and structure. Additionally, you'll see estimated visits, backlinks, and social shares for each piece. These metrics provide a comprehensive view of how well content is resonating with audiences. Finally, take some time to analyze the top performing titles. Pay attention to those that receive the most clicks, shares, and backlinks. By understanding what makes these titles appealing, you can craft better, more specific titles for your content. A useful tip is to place your main keyword at the beginning of your title while ensuring it's catchy and provides value to your audience. Using these insights, you can enhance your content strategy significantly. Remember, great titles can lead to increased engagement and elevate your content's visibility. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to check titles in Ubersuggest.